Today we saw the funky Ora Cat at a Gridserve forecourt. Great opportunity to check within a few minutes whether we could buy it as a single car for a family of 3. The benchmark is our 5-year-old Ioniq 28 kWh, and we'll compare both. The Ora Cat has pretty good looks. It feels very plush inside, at least when it's new. The space inside is excellent for a 4.2 meter long car. It seems very comfy in all seats, and at 6 feet tall I'm happy sitting at the back. In fact, with the flat floor I could see 3 passengers sitting comfortably at the back. There is the armrest, but no convenience light there. 228 liters, the boot is pretty small, so that's gonna be our first challenge there. Maybe not a showstopper if everything else is ideal. The real thing we'd want from a new car though is more range on the motorway than the typical 110 miles from the Ioniq. So how long is a theoretical London to Manchester trip? Well, 4 hours and 19 minutes with 2 stops and 39 minutes of charging time in total. Well, that's in fact worse than our Ioniq, which does it in 4 hours and 5 minutes with just 24 minutes of charging. So despite the longer range of 160 miles and the fancy interior, we'd have no use of this car compared to ours today. So that's the final picture. Lower efficiency, starting price of 32k, smaller boot. Well, yeah, it's a nice package, but it's not gonna be one for us. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.